Hello, welcome to the Artificial Intelligence tutorial. This tutorial will aid you in becoming more informed about artificial intelligence and how it relates to the Honor Code and your academic work. What is artificial intelligence, or AI, you may ask? At its simplest form, artificial intelligence is a field which combines computer science and robust data sets to enable problem solving. When it comes to academic integrity violations, we oftentimes see artificial intelligence used to complete assignments in a way that gives a student an advantage in their academic work. These are honor code policies that are commonly associated with the misuse of artificial intelligence. The first one is cheating unauthorized aid. Using any material or aid that are not authorized by the person giving the test, project, or other assignment, for example, websites, cell phone, calculator, notes, previous testing materials, for an unfair academic advantage. The next one is plagiarism copied material, which is copying partially or entirely any material without acknowledgement of the source. And we also see plagiarism improper citations. This is partial or incomplete citation of work or ideas. This is the Carolinian Creed. Unlike the Honor Code, you cannot violate the Carolinian Creed. The Creed is University of South Carolina's guiding tenets that the community should uphold. As a Carolinian, I will practice personal and academic integrity. I will respect the dignity of all persons. I will respect the rights and property of others. I will discourage bigotry while striving to learn from differences in people, ideas, and opinions. I will demonstrate concern for others, their feelings, and their need for conditions to support their work and development. The following are artificial intelligence platforms that we commonly see in artificial intelligence violations. They are Grammarly, Chatsonic, Bing Chat, ChatGPT, DeepL. There are more, but these are the ones that appear in our office most frequently. The following are examples of how academic integrity policies can be violated by misusing artificial intelligence. When an entire response, essay, or written work is written by artificial intelligence. When artificial intelligence is used to translate work from one language to another for an assignment. When artificial intelligence is used to detect grammar so heavily that it deviates from original work. When artificial intelligence is used to create falsified documents and resources. During this video, we have talked a lot about how you can misuse artificial intelligence in ways that violate the university's honor code. These are some ways that artificial intelligence could be used positively in academic work. In outlines, research topic ideas and brainstorming, creating a resume, as a thesaurus, for summaries, and for grammar and spell check. This is an example of an output from ChatGPT when we asked it, why shouldn't you misuse artificial intelligence? ChatGPT said that 1, lack of personal learning, 2, ethical concerns, 3, professional and personal development, 4, long-term consequences, and 5, educational purpose of assignments. As you can see down here at the bottom, I have an in-text citation. I cited that I used ChatGPT to complete this response. With an in-text citation already in place, the last thing you must do is add it to your works cited page. This is an example of what ChatGPT would look like in an APA reference list. For more resources, you can go to our Office of Academic Integrity website. You can go to the Student Success Center. You can rewatch the AI tutorial. You can utilize the Purdue OWL. You can go to the Writing Center. You can take advantage of UHS stress management consultations, and you can always ask the librarians. As a student, you also have a responsibility to make sure you are following the honor code and embodying the creed. You should read and review your syllabus and check if there's a statement about artificial intelligence. You should talk to your professor and get clarification on when it is or is not okay to use artificial intelligence. It is also important that you are managing your time properly and that you are citing your sources correctly. Thank you.